products. You got a weeding tool. We're going to do this fast because you guys need to click the link in the description to order before they sell out. Extra fine point pens, 0.3, Gilded Forest. These are Martha Stewart ones. These are great colors. Nice neutral colors. Glitter vinyl. They call this rose gold. I would call it more rose. I don't see any gold, but it's there. It's 4 feet long, and you also have the 12 by 12 strong grip transfer. So you need strong grip transfer to use the glitter vinyl, and it's included. You got a sampler of removable vinyl. This is premium removable. It's also Martha Stewart. And you have these 3 awesome colors. You have Strong Bond Iron-On by Rad and Happy. It's pattern iron-on. You have 3 12 by 17 sheets. It also matches one of the paper packs inside. Same with this one. It's Rad and Happy, also matches the paper inside. Let's look at these real fast. Got that one, and that one little hearts. Let's look at this one. That one's just dots and flowers. Corrugated cardboard. These are great. It also has, with each color, you also get a smooth piece of cardstock. These are great to add texture to any of your cards. See how cool that is? And then it also has the plain cardstock to match these colors. This is Deluxe Paper Rad and Happy. They're double-sided. You get 2 of each. Cool. This is also Rad and Happy. This is such a fun pack of paper. Clouds and sun. So cute. And I love this one. Oh, in the back of that is that. What up, sucker? So cute. Because this mystery box has the little cutie, the rose cutie, that means it is only available to Access members. So if you're not an Access member, purchase that first. And then you get 10% off everything you buy. And all those images, over 100,000. And that gives you 20% off this box and free shipping on this box. There's no need to use my code because it doesn't work on this box because it's already given you 20% off and free shipping. Now hurry because these boxes usually go really fast. If you want to be one of the first to know about these mystery boxes, make sure you join my email list, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications. All right, love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Coming up soon.